Hello. Let check it and if would be your now. Your voice is not coming. Hello. 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 I'm not available right now, but I will see what to do on this. Microphone. Hello. 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 I don't know. Hello. Hmm. Maybe why? Good. Hello. Hello. Hmm. Okay, now we're good. Let's start out there. Okay, now we are good. Let's see. And here we go. TV. Okay, so now we have the great opportunity for selling new song. I think I should grab it as soon as possible. Now let me see. Let me check. What should be the stop loss? We are getting decent targets. Now let me see. I don't know why, but this isn't working. That's how supposed it to be working. Don't know why, but the noises are coming. Irrelevant noises. Don't know why is that. Hmm. don't know why that. I don't know why that. We'll see what happens. But for that period of time, we are here. Yes, no. This is what I did. Okay. If you wanna see my previous trades that I've taken, these are my previous close trades. From I've been having good day in trading, as you can all see. We have increased it. These are this reach. That's what I'm trying to do right now. In the mood of this all is changed. I don't know why. According to my analysis, it should be going down right now, but we'll see about that too. I have the position over here that moved here. That I should be holding it, and I've holded that position. It would have given me almost 4k profit at least. But we'll see what happens. And this is the best position. Bitcoin, if anybody wanna buy, and I'm heading for $3 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, if anybody wanna buy. Maybe when it's selling, it was too high for it, but I'm waiting for it. I'll not change it. Why should I do that? I'm being patient. If I see anything, then I will. Other than I'll just hold it. I'll not do anything. If you talk about this soil, it is moving around. Maybe it is showing great position, but what I see from here is that it will make this kind of structure and then it will drop from here. And that is the position it is there now. For me, in 2-3 days, I'm going short on Ethereum. And if you talk about gold, and I'm bullish on gold right now because it didn't cross its 50% of body. There's it's 50%. Let me put a horizontal line over here so that I remember the 50%. I am trying to be exact. Mainly showing that Bitcoin is headed for an upward trend, but It is holding down below and red shows bearishness, 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 bearishness. That shows bearishness. Okay, you start getting a little bit of profit. I don't think so. It will go in a direction, but well, let's see. If I'm not that hopeful about it, until unless it touches, it goes up. But we'll wait. I can get a better price to sell if I wait. That's what I think. Let me check in. Is that so? It rallied down from here and in your direction installed here. Let me check if I see anything in 15 minutes. Something off. Okay. In 15 minutes it has crossed 50% mark of this candle. That candle. There it. Actually, not body, but only wicks. We'll consider body if it crosses its 50% mark. But until then, we'll wait for it. Okay, I'm okay with it. No worries. Let me check how much loss I will get. Almost 20. Okay, no worries, I will have profit in my pockets to fund this. Although it's a running account, but it will do. Now this is showing these bullish signs. But can I trust it or not? That's the thing. We take them in 1 hour time. If we see that it's FPG and now it will try to get like this position at least. Mm-hmm. Yeah, now it will see some rejection. You can see some resistance right now. And everything is just or is consolidating. It's just not going up anywhere. Let's talk about let's say more than 15-year time frame. If we see something, is gathering between the stop loss here below this. This is 20% candle, and just if whenever it just close this, the buying has come and not throw it away like this. Um, First time it crossed this line, a big green candle was made of 9 points. Then again, it come below this crossed this candle, another big green candle, another 9 point. Yeah, that's what happened. And here, bottom, not rejection, but resistance. We'll say rejection will be goes down below this line, but it will be okay. We'll see if we get anything or not. Let's see whether if yes or I wanted to give a little bit more move in upward direction, then it can go easily downside. That's my plan. Right. I really wanted to get my position executed. But we'll wait if anything doesn't happen because in past two sessions I've been trading good and this is a positive sign for me and I do not want to destroy my progress over just by being greedy. I do not want to be that obviously. I'm just trying to be more cautious while doing anything. Sure, the buying coming from this zone is incredible. But still don't know when it goes down and goes up. Okay, now you saw this showing some move. Mm, upward direction. It is actually against mine. We are okay. Just a little bit more. We are not expecting to do much, but 0.08. So this much. Okay. This could be the rejection here, but we'll see about that too. But what we need is a push, little bit push. That's what we need over here. We'll see if we get it or not. Maybe we got that push. No, not right now. We need it to get over here. We'll wait. We can't do anything much instead of waiting. If we are not seeing any target right now, we won't. I won't be forcing myself to get into it and go for the wrong trade. If there is one, then we can find it, hunt it. If there isn't, then why to do the wrong trading? That's what is my plan is right now, and I'll be following my plan consistently and seriously. Mm. Bending my plans is what the thing that I'll be doing while doing this live. what I see is here's this and stop losses and in more future forms. My take on Ethereum is that it will go down side. Now it's coming, but I'll hold. I won't be taking any unnecessary risk. It's okay if it doesn't if it doesn't hit my sell limit. It's okay. But if it does, then it's good for me. I'll be just waiting and holding it. I didn't do that. But we are good. We are good. Won't be taking any unnecessary pressure or anything. If we say 10 15 time frame, what we see, it is not holding over here. And next thing it will do is it will come down to this part, then it will go in upward direction. Let me check if I buy over here. What could be my possible target? My possible target is what I need is equal to percent. We'll see if we can do it or not. Let's check it in one time frame. We'll do. That's what my plan is. Now it's 8 p.m. over here right now. If I not sell, I wanna buy, and then buy petrol pending. I do really want in internet in very 15-minute time frame to open my position. And my position will be here. Let's see, and what is sell. This will be here and target here high. This is my target. Can we do it or not? Let me just adjust my stop loss. It's quite big actually. Okay, my position got executed in US oil. Well, let's see what will have it has to offer me. For that period time, I just executed my position over here. No worries, no. The vessel or something like that. It's fine. Now the real test begins for us. This oil as our orders got executed, and now if I'm able to hold that or not. Now the thing, we'll see. According to my analysis, it will go down as this space is cleared and there is no FPG over there. But if there was a fair value gap by these two candles and it got filled. Now what I'm thinking it will now kind of will go downwards and make this a wick. That's what my plan is right now. But we'll see. Plans not always got perfectly executed. Sometimes they got destroyed too. And we'll be okay with that too. If we see in Ethereum, it is not coming out, okay, we don't have any. That's right, we'll take it as is. Let me say use in 15-minute time frame that I haven't watched yet. I'll do it in trading so that I can get, for example, I can view it clearly. If in 15 minutes it is going upwards, wants to make a new high if I say it is 15 minutes. Okay, let's see. Let me hide all my positions. I see there should be my all SLs. My all SLs should be right over here. 64 1 64.107 64.107 61.1 and then as this is going, I don't think so. It will go in my direction because the way it is going right now is not completely bullish. But we'll see if it does respect its level or not. If it doesn't, then I'll exit it from it. In the meantime, we'll watch it. Do nothing. We can do nothing about it. Now when I see my position of 0.04 lots, I don't think it was a good position right away because it made no sense in here. I bought it at nowhere. This is completely wrong, and I should be not doing that again. Yes, please. Mm, okay, it has to wait over here now. So became good. The body has closed. Okay, okay, okay. Now what I think is I have to leave from. I have to leave. I have to maybe exit from the position right now because the buy came. Is good. How much is left for my stop loss? 439 200 and this and send some zero. It's almost there. It will not take much of my no money if I wait for my stop loss to get blown away. But I will do it. I can save a few rupees if I exit from it right now. That's what I think. Because this level is matched right now. It is resistance level. Let's see it whether it will wait respect it or not. And in trading if we see it has not respected it, then gone away. Or what I think I can wait for few minutes. They're not going to break this level. This is a resistance level. That's what I think. 62.3. Now when I see my 0.0 is my rated, it doesn't make any sense right now. Uh, Okay, I should be more careful in future about these wrong trades that I'm that I've taken. This is saying to just increase your stop loss to here. Does I have this kind of money? Actually, I do. The stop loss, if I count it as of total, it becomes of 1750 means 1750 rupees, and I have the capital of 2000. So I can take it. If I go in a more sensible way, this is the right thing to do right now. Now, please just wait for it. What happens? Let's see if we get another trade or not. If we see it in 15 minutes, it is shown that it has gone away. It wants to go more, but it will not. That's what I think. The rest come down significantly. But we'll wait. We don't know yet mm, where true loyalty lies. No, whether this trade end in a profit or loss, one thing I have to keep remembered is that this lot was utter nonsense. This was no, I don't know why I took it, but here, what sense does it make? Let's explore into it and let's find my mistakes. What can be done better? What I've done wrong in here? If we see, if I'm one of five sell over here, I should have settled my position over here or below this. But or if I in a more sophisticated manner, I should have placed my position over here and I should have waited for this to come. Now, if I see that wasn't a bad trade, maybe it ended up, maybe it, this oil take my stop loss away, but then also this wasn't that bad enough trade. Well, it is okay. I could have waited for what I could have done better is I could have just lower the volume. Actually, lots are not that big too. So I don't think so. I should make fuss out of it right now. Uh, Let me check into containment whether it is. It was completing that FVG and now it has completed that. Every time it has completed its fair value gap in containment time frame, that means it is going up for a big move. But if we see in 1 hour time frame, it has not done. Maybe it doesn't require that. Uh-huh. There's a new thing that I want to know. Mm, well, if I can clear 200 rupees, if I can get 200 rupees from it, then maybe I could have waited for it, but now I ain't getting anything. I'll be holding it because there's a good resistance level above it, and I, I'm not seeing any other trades right now, so there's no way to go. If I if I would have if there is another trade that I can get into, then I could have just exited from this position. But right now I'm not seeing anything else than your short because it is the one thing that is making move right now, which has volatility and which is going anywhere. Except this, nothing is making on. They all are stagnant and there's just making liquidity trap right now. If you see this Ethereum, this hasn't gone anywhere. I will cancel this position because it ain't good. I will. This is the last recording if I can see. Hmm. Now this is what I wanted. This is the sign of reversal, but let's see if it helps us or not. That will take support from here, that what it is taking right now. Mm, it will come down to here, and here the buying zone is, and this is the buying zone right now. Okay. Gold is just making straight candles in a line. Now it is taking, accumulating. Okay, that's okay. It is. I could be happy. I was waiting for the 50. I was thinking that 15-minute time frame is making a bullish pattern. But when I see this, I can't say this candle, but it has only wicks. When I see this big wick, then I thought of going now. Now it is completed its FEG gap over here. That's what I think. Now it is a perfect area where it completed its FPG. Now it's taking its as a resistance, and what I think is it can make a new low here right now, and for that I should be patient enough to hold all my position. It's a good theory that I've made right now for that new low, but let's see. For gold I have predicted that it will be going, it will be giving an upside move, but let's wait when it will give, or it will make us move it. Okay, now we are talking. I'll hold for 0.04 candle and I'll take profit in this. I'll take profit of this lots. Okay, I see it right now in 15 minutes. If it stops, I do not want it to move further downwards. I just want to stay at a only. This is 150 minutes. 10 more seconds. Is it? It is. That will do some. Let's try. But more, let me go in answers that it should be going. It should be making a new high at least. That is the thing right now we should be doing. I don't want big loss. If I can save a penny, I'll save a penny. 837 560. Almost 1400 rupees. We are doing 1400 rupees for the loss over here and 1601 target. Get to it. That's fine. Ethereum, if we talk in terms of MACD, it really wanna go in upward direction, but if I see the price action here, I do not see it going upward in any way because it is making a great. No, it has come down now. It is waiting. It will fall down more like this. That buyers are waiting for a profit, more profit price to make it go further down. So we can buy over here right now. This is a good position we can be in, and we can go for SL above this candle. We can do that too. Okay, let's see if we can do that. 911 time frame. Okay, let me go full screen. And this is buying. Okay, still got it off. And the sell limit. Okay, nice. I'll order some time in the map. Sell stop. So, okay, let me check what will be the SL over here right now. SL is too big actually. It's 600 rupees. Okay, what could be a no, the possible target price is damn good. Okay, we got some more 1000 rupees over here, and that's a good sign. We are doing great. Now here it will act as a resistance right now, but we'll see. No, I can change my SL in next 15 minute candle, not right now because it has now created a PG over here. It will come back and then cool down. This is the thing I have to wait. Okay, Ethereum shows a good sign, a good big green candle on the side. There is no talking about gold right now. We're just Instant it will be like an elephant doing nothing. I'm more eager to watch it in 15 minutes than 1 hour. Damn, and this is the candle. Now it has big space over here. Let's see it will go to clear that or not. Not like every day I want my target to get executed before it goes hunting myself. Definitely that's an idea I'll be looking forward to it. Not the other thing around over here. And if we see in the instrument, we do not see anything, but it's just accumulating here, and making traps for buyers or making traps for definitely retailers, and that's why I'm not entering into it. And it has made some big downward trend. I don't know whether it's good or not. It will export from here definitely. It will, so, because this is the previous high of this candle, and it will take support from its big. But if I see the sentiment over here, that what we call maybe it's doji candle over here, that's make the big difference. And now the only game in this level is left is for patience. Well, let's see if I win up or not. I'll be patient enough for that thing, because this is the one thing that I have to be get right for in future to get more profitable. Or yeah, man, the red handed man, that's unbelievable. Now watching this, I can extend my target because I know that's some big giant red wing. If I have to take some of my position over here right now, I do not know whether I should exiting my above one 0.05 lots or 0.04 lots over here right now. And that is the thing I'm right now concerned about it. If we see it in 15 minutes, the US order has given me two targets right now, this period of time, and I'm happy about it. If we see, no, my target should be the bottom one. Waiting for that, making a new low, making a new low, or waiting for this bottom target. So the red candle it has made is significantly huge, and it indicates a good selling pressure. That was the thing I was waiting for. If I go for TP, actually, no, it is good. I'll wait for my 0.04 lots. I'll get out of it with my target is good. I'll not be greedy much. If after seeing this candle, I can be greedy. Okay, I'll be partially closing the position if it go close. No, I'm doing this only because of the pressure it is in right now. Going massively in a downtrend, and I should be the one taking opportunity. And this is the right opportunity, and I should be the one taking mm, taking a profit out from it. Mm, okay, now this is giving a good setup. If it no and it here and it will go back over here, it will complete its FPG. Because the previous candle, mm, if we really talk about the FPG, it's actually over here. This is the pair value gap over here, this whole thing. Universal document over. If it tries to in opposite direction, then we are okay with it. I think it will try eventually. Maybe not, but I have prepared myself if it goes in that direction. If we talk about Ethereum, I think it is going, it will, if we see the MACD line and, and price right now, if we go, if we talk about lesser time frame or if we talk about the day or in a few hours, it wants to go up. Now it is making significant, there's significant selling coming on here right now. Should I be trailing my asset? When my order got cleared. What should be my new target now? That is the thing. That is the main thing I should be worried about. Okay, my target just got hit. And if I say this should be the new target I should be aiming for, yeah, this is this is where I should be aiming for. Let that target. No, so let me close it. Done. I've cleared in perfect order. Taking support from me. Okay. Now this is enough for me. I've thousand pocket and I'm waiting for thousand more. It will be 6,000. Okay, I'm okay. Now I'm having great trading, man. Just great. It isn't about just getting that amount of money right here, but what it is about is I am getting the same amount of money with 0.16 lot. This is a huge amount. This is a huge amount. Whether I do not have to wait for my target for much longer period of time. But when I see this 0.02 lots in gold and zero point 0.5 lots in Ethereum and 0.05 lots in US oil, these are not very big lots to have, but the target I have achieved from it, and now I have put one more target in US oil. Damn, man, it's just going crazy right now. And you know what's the hurry right now? It has, but it is going. Now that's what I like about USR. It and now it has some news. Now it is moving rapidly. But if we talk about other things, but if we talk about other instruments, nothing is moving. They are just accumulating over there. But we are happy that they have got our target. The movement right now in US oil is, man, amazing. It has dropped all more than 1% right now, 1.3%, and I don't think so. There's any stopping for it right now. And in this rate, I've also booked my stock. I've sold. I've booked 4,000 rupees in this period of time. And what I think is, it wants to go more down. It is going down rapidly. It is a gamble if I take trade now right now, but I do not want. If I do gamble, it is risky move. I should not gamble right now. Mhm. I should stay away from gambling right now. Okay, maybe it go more down further, but what is the thing is, I should stay away from it. That's what I'm doing right now. That period of time, let me do. Work. If I see it in 15-minute time frame, I do not see anything right now. If I see it in 5 minutes, I do not see anything right now. If I see it in 1 minute, I do not see anything to trade right now. What do I trade here? The thing is, it can go easily up to here, and it can easily move 0.5% and you know blow me away. That's why I do not want to get into it. This is pure gamble. If anyone is telling you to get it into it right now, as you can see, it has given 0.3% more. It is just done. This is the thing we should be avoiding while trading. Everyone will be seeing that it is going down right now. We should get into it and right now, and we should sell. But if we see in this move only, it will get your stop losses. That's why we should be trading carefully and cautiously. We do not want to make every single penny right now. We just have to wait. Market will be trending and market will be open for days. It is not that it will just close it close today or it will not open tomorrow. What we have to show is we have to show patience right now and follow our strategy. Strategy is the biggest thing that we can follow and be a more profitable trader. For past 3 sessions, I've been loving my new strategy and following it completely, and it is giving me result. Let's see what it's there for me for more time frame. I can't see. Now what we have to do is we have to just wait for our new target. If we find anything, we'll go for it. Maybe it doesn't, then we won't. What I think in Ethereum is it is uh, two things can happen right now. That one thing is that it has covered this big red candle completely, and it has completely make use completely wasted it this and completely wasted this big red candle, and it has changed its trend, and now it will going it will go in a poor direction. It has changed its direction. But the one thing is also now there is price value gap which it has traded right now, and it will go significantly downwards. If we see in future what has the trend that we can see while there is selling, that it has gone upwards a little bit, then it has made up significant big red candles in the trending direction. But that is the same happening over here right now. It has given a big red candle in trending direction. Now it is going upward direction, taking some more liquidity, and sellers obviously want to sell it over here. If we see another thing in gold right now, that gold is making a move that we wanted earlier. If we are get into it, then we'll be what is making a good significant move. That's what I was talking about, that it will go in upward direction, and it's just holding for it. Bought it here and sold it here. No, holding it for such a long period of time is very tough task. If I show you, this was this was the trade that I holded in Bitcoin, but it's okay in gold actually. It take a lot of patience to hold these types of trades for a much longer period of time. But we are intraday traders, so I don't think so. We should be holding this trade for more than 7 8 hours. But if we see a good trade that should be folded, then we can hold those things. But it's okay for us right now. We got our we got our targets hit, and what we need right now is just to be patient and wait for the targets. If we see one, then we'll go into it. If we doesn't, then we have to wait patiently and wait for our next targets. What I see in gold is if it comes down here, then we can make a new position and making an SL to here. Let's execute that position to gold. We'll be doing it carefully. We'll go for a stop. We'll be going for a low SL. Yeah. Okay, we'll go for a pending order. There should be a SL. We'll go for a market order. Our SL should be here 500 rupees. And our PP little bit more. I'll be taking it. I'm not worried about it. I should have taken it right here, but it's okay. I can extend my stop loss to this. And go for 750. Right now, this I should have made the pending order right over here, but it's okay. I do not want to talk about it. I was taking this, this, and now we talk about our targets. I'm holding it for a good target. Now the buying has came, and we have just got into the right position. Actually, my target is good. I don't know how I implement how I put that target, but my target is in a right position right now. Hello. My right earphone is working, but my left isn't. That's okay. 700 rupees SL is enough for this. I do not want more of it. Now this FPG is completed. I can go into this position right now. Okay, I just went for work, little bit of work. Now it is giving good profits right now. Gold, if we talk about oil, no, oil will go further down right now. But I'm not taking any trade right now in oil definitely. But what we can do instead of this, there is a buying opportunity in Ethereum also. We can go for buying over here and we can put our stop losses behind this candle. Let me check whether my target is it, my target is completed or not. Dash to make a big move right up there. And for that, what I think right now is I should move my target price a little bit high. Definitely. There's not 6 minutes to give me my target. I should do this too. I do not want to close in red. That's why I've done this. And I should be waiting for it for a little more minutes. And if I see price action going against me, then I'll withdraw from it. And if not, then I'll be holding it for more minutes. And that's why I'm holding it right now. And that's my future options that would is I'm going to do right now. And if you see in other things, it is going. Now, till this date, I past 3 sessions I have been getting a good targets and doing the good trading right now. I've been waiting patiently for my trades, and this patience is paying me off. As let me show you my recent targets. This is my PNL for recent past 3 dates. This is thing. And if I talk about if there is an opportunity right now, I see gold going upwards. If anyone wanna go into it, uh, it he or she should wait for at least 5 to 7 minutes for getting an opportunity to getting into it. And the right opportunity should be this. This is the buying area, and if anybody wanna go into it right that few minutes, he or she can go. After this, gold will come back down, and if it comes down below this, you can have a buying opportunity over here, and you can put SL at 3381, and this can be changed. And if we see, okay, we'll wait for our target to be achieved, and we will not cut it in between. If I say it gold getting against my direction, then I can cut my position, but my SL is above my break even, so if it blow away my SL, then also I'll be in profit. So I'm not having any tensions. I started this session with 2000 rupees, and I'm now profitable enough to take a risk and wait for little bit more targets. And if I tell you about my previous targets that I've done, mm, this whole big candle I have captured. I've, I took two trades. I've sold one in at here and one here, and this was my target. Yeah, this whole candle I've targeted, and I'm happy about that. And I've told earlier about that candle too. If I should tell you the future of Ethereum, if Ethereum takes, this is right now good buying opportunity in Ethereum, and we can have a small SL over here. If it crosses this SL, if it blows this SL away, then we can be sure that it is going down right now. That now it has changed its direction. This is one of the good opportunity for Ethereum if anybody wanna buy. But if it crosses your SL, no, this should be your SL. You should move your SL from here. If it crosses this, then we can have a good selling opportunity, and we can see a new low, another low. We can see a new low to this point. This can be the new target for Ethereum. Until then, we should wait for it. We shouldn't be doing anything. Talking about gold. Now, if it comes down here for buying, you can buy over this VIX and have the SL over behind just this candle. This should be your SL. Not, you should not move SL away from this, not below from this. Okay, this should be your expected SL if you are entering in this point. And if I talk about US oil, uh, we can see selling over here, but selling is always fast like this, but I'm not particularly sure about selling. It will come, but if anybody enters, at this week, this was the right opportunity to enter into it. But now it has gone below. Now your SL would be higher, so it won't mean anything if you trade it right now. Gold and Ethereum both, my idea for both of them is that they'll go down from here, and for gold, it will make a new high. It is going to make a new high. That's my strategy for gold, and for Bitcoin and Ethereum, they will make a new low, and US oil too, it will make a new low too. We can get into this trade, but it will be a pure gamble if we get into this right now. That's why I'm not entering into it right now. Ethereum, I have said earlier, this is a right opportunity if anybody wanna enter. Let us see our trade of gold. Okay, now price is very close to our target. I can trail my SL, but I do not want. I'm happy with it right now. I'm good with my target price out now because in this session only I've taken. I started trading at 6, not 6. This is was this that 6. That was my pending order that I ordered in this session. I'm doing 2 sessions in a day, in morning and in the evening. The morning session I started at 2:32 p.m. and at that period of time I saw an opportunity. I played an order, not a market order, but an pending order, and it got executed at 6 p.m. at this period of time. And after that, I took 2 more trades, and they both ended in a profit of 2k. And what's good thing about my trade is I'm trading in a low quantity and waiting for good high targets and which I'm achieving it. I'm not rushing into any of these targets. It is just my target just few inches away, few centimeters away from getting it. It's okay, we'll wait. I'll not ponder about it, or ponder over it. Why should I? If it wanna give a start, then it will give. Let me see another opportunity. What I'm seeing opportunity in Ethereum is for buying, have a small SL, or can I go into it? If it stays in this body, not in wick, but in body, then it can be sign of a reversal. But we'll wait for it. Gold is holding up, no worries. If it is holding up, then it's not a sign of body. We should wait for it. Dogs are fighting on the streets, that's why my dog is getting anxious and wants to go out and resolve their matter. I don't know how he can resolve it, but he really wanna but he ain't listening to me. It's okay. Okay, my order got closed. Yes, nice. This was nice. No, you चुप हो जा भाई. Sorry for the inconvenience. Uh, doggy giving me trouble. If you are enter in this trade, if it comes down to touch this wig, this area, you can buy over here and definitely your SL should be here. You should not remove your SL or go down more with your SL. You should hold it, whether it blows away your SL or not. But SL is very important, and your what should be target. Target is one of main thing that we should know. In 4 hour, I don't say anything. It is taking resistance from here right now. That's why it is holding up right now. If we see in 1 hour time frame, what should be a possible target? Our possible target should be this high. This high should be a possible target. And how much point it is giving? 5 points right now. It is more than 5 points. 0.15%, and actually it is enough. In gold, you are using 2000 leverage. It is kind of enough. In gold, 5 points can triple your original amount. So that's enough. That's what I was saying. It will come down, and it has come down and touch this way. This is called fair value gap that it has now it has roaming around. Now, according to my analysis, it will go up from here. Why I was telling that it will go up from here, because these are the fair value gaps which are unattended by it. Now it has come down here, and according to my analysis, both Ethereum and gold right now should be going upwards. But it is my analysis. Wait, let's see what will happen or not. If I see trade, then I'll enter into it. If that was the opportunity I was telling about. If if, let's say you miss this trade, you do not have to enter it right now, because if it goes below, if it goes down here, you will be liquidated. Your SL will be blown away, and you have no money left with. for trading. So it's better to avoid if you missed any opportunity. Avoid trading if you missed opportunity. If you got an opportunity, you can trade there. Let's see if we. Mm, no, I am not that confident in US oil because it has not shown any. It has not gone down significantly. Right now, it has taken support from here. Maybe it will go down in another. It can go down in and it can go down in any second. But I'm afraid. What I'm thinking is, if anybody wanna trade, if it closes over here and makes tries to go to this level, we can trade over here. This is the level we can trade. We can sell at this level. But I do not feel that confident trading US oil right now. Although I have made a significant profit in US oil by in this candle only. No, that the thing I was talking about, gold. Yeah. It has completed its fair value gap, now it's heading upwards. You can say that I should have waited for my I could have trailed myself trailed my target for this, but I feel enough, that satisfaction and fulfillment is the one thing that you should feel, and I felt that. That's why my target was not up there because today I made 6k. It's 8,000 rupees, and I'm going good right now. That's why I do not want to rush into the things. If I see good opportunity to enter into any of the instrument, then I'll enter it. You know, the overall trend right now of Ethereum, what I think is it can go down, but if what I see right now is it has completed its pay value gap and it will be heading upwards to a new high, and that could be over here. This this could be the new target for Ethereum. Easy peasy. Or extended target. This could be the extended target. Wait, let me try from. Yes, this could be the extended target. This should be your first target, and you should trail SL if you wanna go for extended target. But if it doesn't break from here and it goes down, we can see a new low, and that is over here. And these are the two way which Ethereum can go either way. And for confirmation of downtrend, if it break this line, this will be the confirmation for downtrend. And ha ha ha, this is my new strategy, and I'm getting along with it, and I'm enjoying while training it, as I suggested this target and it achieved. It exactly did what I said. I said it will come down. It completed its fair value gap. I draw that line that it will go and touch it, and it just went. And why I'm confident in gold is because how many hours it took for accumulation over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hours it stayed here in this range. Now it has, I think it has enough volume to go in upward direction. If we see overall trend in gold, how it is easy that no, it got gone up, then it waited. Buyers waited for price to come down and to go for a good opportunity. And this was the news also that Fed rate cut, and it went up. Then again sideways. Now buyers waited for the right opportunity for buying. If you wanna, the smart money enters here at this point. This is the point where smart money enters. Smart money means that big corporate funds that if you wanna, if anybody wants to enter into it, what we can possibly do is this came down for this fair value gap and it took support from here. First, it took support from here, mm, this candle. Then the main support it took from this. The smart money entered into this and took the price above. And what happened at this? What this line is 50% of this big green candle. This is the 50% line of this big candle. Whenever uh, tries to break down, it pushes. The big heavy buying comes. As we can see, one first it tries to go down, then heavy buying came and in a single candle, single big green candle, it go in upward direction. Then it tries again to come down the 50% level. No, one thing which we can notice over here, only wicks have come down this 50% line, not a single body that closed below this 50% line. That is the thing that shows us the buying coming over here, right, and there, right here. That's what we should be focusing on. And when it go here and yes, and when it got its, it actually came also to hit SLs of our retail traders. Okay, and when it got opportunity, it got up. Mm, that is the target I was talking about, and it hit the both targeted. It hit the both targets. Okay, if I see in 1 hour time frame, if anybody wanna enters right now, this is the proof. No, I'm not feeling confident in telling this to. So that's why I won't tell you this. This is a very risky thing, and I won't. The unnecessary thing, not risky, but unnecessary thing. Now, at this speed, if any one of you bought it here, now this is not a good sign of ADM right now. You should increase your SL and watch cautiously whether the price is going in your direction or against your direction. I'm not feeling confident that it will go up from this, up from here. Right now, what I'm thinking is it is heading towards a new low, at least towards a new low right now. Let me check if I can get a new, if I can add into new trade. If anybody want, here we can see a trade in Bitcoin. Now this is a good thing. This all, this is the, let me show you, like this. This is selling area over here. This trade, this space is selling. Whenever price come into this area, we can we can short the position right here. Whenever price come into this area, and we can go for a new target in our target. There are two targets we can focus on. Focus. We can go for a new low to until this point, actually wait a second to this point. And another is, let me check what can be another target for this area. Let me check in for time frame. No, it is taking support from here and then we can do. There is good support. Now what we can do is we can go for this and our last could be this, not other than that. And I think that's sufficient. If we short position from here and we get 700 points to 950 points. I think that's enough. 700 to 950 points, that's enough. If we go short in this position, short here, short from here. And what should be the sell? The bad thing about this trade is I am not able to find any SL, but the ideal SL should be the body of this candle. Let me check in 15 minutes if I find anything. Now this is the selling zone. You can try enter into this if it goes here. And what could be our possible SL? I'm not able to find any SL. Not right now. SL. No SL. We can go for this big SL, but this is 700, 800 points of SL doesn't mean anything. It's useless. We can go for SL if the price come into this area. If it enters this area, this circle area, we can go for this SL. Right now, it is very risky to enter into this, but that's why I'm not taking any risk. It is taking support from the earlier high of this candle. It has taken support from here. Now it will head towards making a new high than this. Let me tell you what high I'm talking about right now. New high that possibly 339 near this. If it goes up, it can give us this level. Maybe if we see this level is not looking that much big, but if we measure it from here, it is 6 points. 6 points are enough to 3x your capital in gold. I'm no, this isn't happening. This is big red candle, and this isn't viable for long position over here. We should go for short position if anybody is in there. Not right now, but we hold it for if anybody is in it in this position and long. Long is buying. If anybody is in it, he can hold it up to this low. Not much longer. We can shift our RSL to this point. Not lower than this, at least. Now Bitcoin has went for its FVG. I think it completed its fair value gap, and now it will be heading toward its new low. First, it will test its previous lows, then it will try to make a new low. And I think that should be enough for today, and stream. I'm doing this live for past 2 hours. If anybody wanna join, wanna start trading, let me give you the. Mhm. Wait a second. Wait for just a second. Let me give you the link. This is the Delta exchange. If you wanna trade in Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can trade it over here. Bro, if anyone watching, you can comment and like the live session. Thank you, and that's all for today. Let's go.